All right, so we went over lists, which is really cool. And we showed how we could use filters from an actual input field to filter our data that we displayed. What else we can do? Should we go more on filters? I think we should go away from simple lists. Just say goodbye to that for now and go on to something else. It was fun, but we need to go on. All right. Also, what you can do in the database is you can store images. So I'm going to show you by going to create a new collection. I'm going to call it images. And the name one, you cannot really do anything to get rid of it, but I don't want to use name. I want to use another one, and I'm going to just call it image as well, like this. And then what I want to do is I just want to upload images. So I'm going to click add image. I'm going to click on choose an image. And I'm going to choose one of our logos. How about this one? Let's go. Now, when I do this, I'm uploading the image as an asset into the Adalo collection images, but it's not on the screen, okay? So I'm going to show you actually how to display an image on the screen in a moment here. But first, I want to show you how you can store the image in the database, okay? Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to resize the screen back to the original size, just so I got some conformity here. And what I'm going to do is I want to show you how you can display an image on the screen, just a static image. So I'm going to select it over here. By dragging the image component, I want to keep that margins in there. And then I can actually just go right here and I can say select the source. I can either use the database or I can upload it. So I'm going to, or I can use a URL as well, you saw there. I'm going to go ahead and click this one again. I'm going to select open. And what it's going to do is it's going to crop the image if the image is too big or if it doesn't fit in the screen. And you may not necessarily want that, so you could just drag it down to get your full image like this, which we're going to do, and you're going to see the full image. Okay? Just resized it is what you did. So now, boom, look at that. That's pretty cool. So you could have something like that, for example, if you wanted to display a loading page or something like that. That would be kind of cool. What we could do, and I'm just going to show you that right now because I mentioned it to you, is I'm going to create a new screen. And you actually will use this a lot in your application. And I'm going to call it loading page. And I'm going to drag this image I had over here and put it over here instead. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, before I log on to the before I go to the home page, I'm actually gonna go through the loading screen so it looks kind of cool. And I'm gonna change this image component to say just give me the full image. And then what I can do is I can resize this. And if I use the shift key, I can do constraints. You can also do the alt key and it will do like a center constraint. So I want to create like a loading image. You want to make sure it's centered. See how you can move this around? You can get that. See, I got the cross. That means it's going to be centered on the screen. At least fingers crossed, right? And what I want to do is, as soon as I log in, instead of going to the home screen, I'm going to say this is the home screen. And I'm going to show you why in a second. I'm going to click on this. I'm going to drop this down and I'm going to call this my first screen if the user is logged in. And this is how you can get a logo to show up as a loading when you want to show off your logo or you want to do other things when you're transitioning to the home page. Maybe like a conditional, which we'll talk about later. So now I'm going to go back over to my login and I'm going to go to my submit fields, and I don't want to go to the home page, but I want to go to the loading page. Okay, so now when I go to preview this, you're going to see my loading page. And it's not going to do anything more than that because I didn't tell it to do anything more than that. But what I really want to do is show this and then go to the home page. So I'm going to go into my screen, and for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. just continue on to the next video, and we'll just continue where we left off. Thanks. Like, share, subscribe. Awesome.